Hello all, here's Gopika Parik, mother of a 6-year-old girl and a teacher by profession, and being teaching in a very prestigious institution from past 11 years. And today I am here for telling you how I entered into this beautiful journey of healthy lifestyle. And this is just because of one of my good friend and colleague, that is Shilpa Chawla, who is my coach. And I also met one of the finest person, that is Gurman, as my upline. They both helped me a lot, especially Shilpa, because being a friend, I was totally connected with her in each and every step of this journey. I got to know many things about the healthy lifestyle, about how to take care of myself and how I can take care of others also, without investing any of the money in starting. Because the first question every one person has in their mind is that when we are starting with any kind of business, we need to invest things, and the only investment I had to do in this business was my time. And really it was helpful to analyze my life also, and in this way I got to know about many things which I was not knowing before, like social media, because I was such kind of person, was very less. I was having communication in social media and less of friends in FB also. So that was the thing where I strengthened myself. Then I got to know how nutrition, that too organic nutritions, are very important, and how they deal with our health. So in this process मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है. A lot of thing I got to know how to. I was good in communication before also, but this journey improved it more. Now I am in such a condition that I know I can help a little people regarding their health, which was my first concern in entering this business. And now when the things are going so good, and I know that people are also thinking about their health, it is the best way to connect with people and to tell them more about health. So in this way Shilpa Chawla helped me a lot, and I hope I will be doing great things ahead with the people's health, and it will impart their health also in this way. So thank you so much for making me a part of this beautiful journey and a beautiful business, which is giving not only money but also health. Thank you so much.